Hi everyone, I am Nurhanifa Hadji. We are here in our mathematics in part of patterns. So for this video, we will talk about rosette patterns. Let's first start with rosette patterns. Patterns with rotation symmetry and or reflection symmetry. Okay. So this rotation symmetry is required. However, this one is and or meaning to say reflection symmetry is not required. So remember, for rosette pattern, the important thing is you should always have rotation symmetry that is required to create symmetric figures and patterns, because reflection symmetry is just an option or optional. So these are examples of rosette patterns. 120 degrees rotation symmetry. This one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 360 divided by 5. So that's 72 degrees. And this also has a rotation of 72 degrees. So meaning to say they are all examples rosette patterns. So now these are some logo of companies that most of them you are familiar with. Are these rosette patterns? Which among these are rosette patterns? This one is the only Mitsubishi. One is the only logo which has rotation symmetry of 120 degrees. For the for the rest of their logo, they have no rotation symmetry. They only have symmetrical along with the vertical line, but that is not what we want when we talk about rosette patterns. Okay, so stop. Okay, let's discuss different types of rosette patterns. We have cycling and dihedral patterns. So recall that for those set patterns, reflection symmetry is not required. So we have types of rosette patterns. Cyclic symmetry. For the patterns that has no reflection symmetry, meaning to say rational only, that we'll call them cycling patterns. But they have a reflection symmetry, they are called dihedral patterns. Example, this overall frame symmetry along these lines. If the rotation as in order, the group is called CN. So remember cycling as no reflection symmetry, and for the dihedral as reflection symmetry. Okay, so remember cycling no reflection symmetry, and for the dihedral as reflection symmetry. So let's look at this at A. Is it cycling or dihedral? The answer is it is a cycling, only it doesn't move reflection symmetry. What about letter B? Is it cyclic or dihedral? The answer is dihedral. It has reflection symmetry along this line. Although, of course, there are many lines, but let's just get one. How about letter C? Is it cyclic or dihedral? You cannot reflect right, so it's not reflected. So another example, if you are watching Naruto, you look at this picture over here. Look at these eyes. The pattern is there. They are actually all rosette patterns. Some more examples of rosette patterns. They are set patterns here. That's my report for today. Thank you for watching and listen. Have a nice day.